All right, so I had to flip a lot of bulbs around to make sure everything working. Now we got something. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna try to work on the dashboard on the instrument custom on the G-body. So let me show you guys what we got going on. All right, now we're gonna try to do is change the lights in here. I don't know what type of lights that goes in here to light up the background because it barely lights up. Well, it's daytime now, so you can't even see. But what we're gonna do is, and also this the left turn signal works, but the right one doesn't, and that gets kind of aggravating. So I forget I had a signal on sometimes because it's not lighting up on the dashboard anymore. So I'm gonna take this apart and see what needs to be changed to change the light bulbs in here so it can light up. All right, now let's start this one and get this in the middle of the garage so we can work on it. Now it ain't been started in about, I'd say about 2 weeks. Usually it takes me 2 cranks to get it going. It'll crank and cut off and crank, shut back on. But let's see what it do. And what I do is I let it get at least 100 degrees before I start doing anything like moving around. Just let it warm up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's cold. Let me see this. I don't know if you can see, get some focus in. So it's at 53 degrees. There she goes. Just start to idle down when it gets to about 100. this dash down, see what we're working with. All right, so this don't look too bad. Look like we're just gonna take off a couple bolts here at the bottom, and this whole piece here should slide away. Gotta take down the Holley screen, and I think it's another screw over here. We're gonna get it off and see what we're working with. Alright, so we got the cluster out. I think when I got this off, I'm going to go ahead and just clean the whole thing up. But on the back side, I believe these are where the bulbs are. Let's see. They look like 194 bulbs. That's what they look like. Okay, so I'm not gonna worry about this side. I'm just gonna worry about all right, y'all. We're gonna go to the parts store, see what we can find. Yeah, so I think we're gonna try another stove. Let's go. All right, y'all, so Rally's had what we needed. We got about 3 packs of these bulbs. All right, so we got these joints. We're gonna see what they do. All right, so I had to flip a lot of bulbs around to make sure everything working. Now we got something. Let me get the focus right on this thing. All right. So it's kind of hard to tell now, so I'm about to probably come back out here when it's darker. As you can see, it's lighting up, and most importantly, we got the flashes to work. So let me work on putting it all back together. All right, guys. So we got all back together. We'll come back in here at nighttime, and we'll see what it's looking like. But so far, it's been pretty good. You can see what's going on. But I'm really excited about these turn signals. They've been broke for the longest. Well, at least the right one was. But we'll come back in here at night and see how it really look. All right, guys. So we got everything back in the garage. Got it shut down. So we'll see what it's looking like. It came out pretty good. The main thing I needed was that fuel hand, like I say, and a turn signal. Besides that though, the only thing that work on here really is the fuel and the volts. Everything else is through the Holley. So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna put no Dakota digital in here because I'm looking at getting the Holley dash off. Sometime I'll probably upgrade this screen to the big screen, take all this out and fill this up with the Holley joint. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So that's pretty much gonna be it on that. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.